My students, now I am going to explain the topic work study from management science in second unit. Work study. Here we have to understand about meaning of work study and method study and also work measurement. Coming to the meaning of work study, it means it refers to the method study and work measurement, which are used to examine human work in all its contexts by systematically investigating into all factors affecting its efficiency and economy to bring forth the desired improvement. Work study is more concerned with human manual work. Work study is more concerned with human manual work. It deals with the efficient design and execution of manual work. Work study strives to establish better standards of performance by identifying the essential movements. In other words, eliminating all unnecessary movements. In the process of carrying out the job and determining the standard time for a given job. This is the meaning of work study. Here, work study has two parts. Work study has two parts. The first one, method study, and the second one, work measurement. The first one, method study, and the second one, work measurement. Here, method study, it is also called motion study. Method study deals with the techniques of analyzing the ways to do a given job better. Means method study deals with the techniques of analyzing the ways to do a given job better. That is the meaning of method study. And also work measurement, it is also called time study. It is also called time study. Work measurement seeks to measure the time required to perform the job. What is the meaning of work measurement? Work measurement seeks to measure the time required to perform the job. This is the meaning of work measurement. Here, work study has two parts. The first one is method study, and the second one is work measurement. Okay. Next, benefits of work study. Here, some of the benefits are there. First one, work study directly deals to standardization of the job process. First benefit is work study directly leads to standardization of the job process. And also second one, it determines the cost, the work performed. It determines the cost, the work performed. And next one, it saves and thus minimizes time, since the unnecessary movements are eliminated. It saves and thus minimizes time, since the unnecessary movements are eliminated. And next, it enhances productivity of the workers and missions. It enhances productivity of the workers and contributes to cost savings. It contributes to cost savings. And next, it enables the worker. It enables the worker to earn incentive. And next, it enhances the employee morale. It enhances the employee morale. And next, it facilitates the organization to plan and achieve work targets. Another benefit is it facilitates the organization to plan and achieve work targets. These are all the benefits of work study. And next, method study. Here, work study is divided into two parts. The first one, method study, and the next one, work measurement. Here we have to see method study. What is the meaning of method study? Method study is the systematic recording and critical examination of the existing and proposed ways. Critical examination of the existing and proposed ways of doing work as a means of developing and applying easier and more effective methods, reducing cost and improving efficiency. This is the meaning of method study. Method study is used in order to effect solutions to variety of production problems. Method study is used in order to effect solutions to variety of production problems such as workplace layout. Already last class we have discussed about what is layout. And the next equipment design, and next product or process design. Product design or process design, whatever it may be. Next, worker fatigue, and so on. These are all the related to production problems. So, the method study provides best solutions to production problems. Next, method study attempts answering questions of the type what, when, how, who, and where. These are all the regarding to the method study questions. Method study attempts answering questions of the what, when, how, who, and where. This is meaning of method study. And the next process of method study. Method study has a process. There are some steps is there. The first step, select, and second one, record, and the third one, examine, and fourth one, develop, and next define, and the next install, and the next maintain. These are all the steps in method study procedure. Method study procedure. And the next here, come to the first step, select. Select the task to be studied. What do we have to select here? In the method study, we have to select the task to be studied. Next, the task or work to which the method study principles are to be applied is to be identified, and the underlying objectives such as saving the cost, increasing the productivity, or eliminating unnecessary motions by the workers, and so on, are to be specified. Here we have specified what we have to follow the target. Select the task to be studied. And the second step is record all related facts about current or proposed methods. Current or proposed methods. The current process of doing the job has to be recorded while doing so. Every details, however small it may be, has to be identified. Where the process is too long, where the process is too long, involving many stages of many stages of production, inspection, or transportation. The present process of doing the job is recorded sufficiently together with all the related relevant information using the process chart symbols indicated in symbols. Here some of the symbols are using to record the current methods or proposed methods. See here, symbol and meaning. Symbol and meaning. This symbol is this symbol means operation, and next this means inspection, and arrow like this transportation. This symbol is meaning of this symbol transportation, and the next delay. This symbol is delay, and the next this is meaning of storage. These are all the symbols used in recording. And the next one, next step, examine the facts critically, considering the purpose, sequence, place, and resources. These are all the examine the purpose of work, and sequence, and place, and resources. These are all the clearly examine the clearly examine, and the recorded events are to be critically examined. The recorded events are to be critically examined in a sequence, even to the extent of questioning the very purpose of an activity. Thus, all possible basic equations should be put forth, especially those of the following types: person, purpose, place, sequence, way, method. These are all the types. And next, these questions can help the person conducting the study to enact. The questions can help the person conducting the study to produce the best way of working conditions, working considering all the circumstances. And next one, develop the best possible method. Develop the best possible method. Based on the recorded data, the alternative methods of doing the same job more effectively are to be identified and evaluated. From these alternatives, the best one is selected and developed to suit the requirements. An alternative is considered to be the best when it is thoroughly evaluated in terms of feasibility, safety, effectiveness, and compatibility to design production system and quality control producers. The alternative is then defined clearly to that everyone concerned can understand it. This is the developed and define. Define the best method so develop. Here, what type of method developed. That method clearly define here. Clearly define here. Define the best method, so develop. And the next one, install the new method. Install the new method, so developed is to be installed is a phased manner. As part of the installation, adequate planning of schedules and deployment of resources should be taken care of. Many good proposals do not take off or want to do not take off for want of adequate preparation for installation. This is the meaning of installation. And the next one, maintain the installed method. Maintain the installed method. It should be ensured that the method is used in the manner intended. And finally, maintain the installed method. This is the process of method study. This is the process of method study. And the next one, work measurement. And the next one is work measurement. What is the meaning of work measurement? Work measurement is the application of techniques which is designed to establish the time for an average worker to carry out a specified manufacturing task at a defined level of performance. It is concerned with the duration of time it takes to complete a work task assigned to specific job. It is also called time study. Work measurement, also called time study, it establishes the time taken by a qualified worker to complete a specified job at a defined level of performance. These techniques are used to answer the questions how much, how long, and when. They usually follow the results of method study. And the next, objectives of work measurement. Objectives of work measurement. The first objective is to compare the times of performance by alternative methods. To compare the times of performance by alternative methods. And the next one, to enable realistic schedule of work to be prepared. And the next, to arrive at a realistic and fair incentive scheme. And the next, to analyze the activities for doing a job with the view to reduce or eliminate unnecessary jobs. The next, to minimize the human effort. And the next, to assist in the organization of labor by daily comparing the actual time with that of target time. Here, comparing the actual time and target time. So these are all the objectives of work measurement. To develop a costing system, to determine the production schedules, to develop incentive schemes, to compare the time taken by the alternate methods of a given job, to standardize the job in terms of standard time, to determine the optimum number of men and missions to ensure their effective utilization. These are all the objectives of work measurement. Work measurement is the application of techniques which is designed to establish the time for an average worker to carry out a specified manufacturing task at a defined level of performance. It is concerned with the duration of time it takes to complete a work task assigned to a specific job. It is also called time study. Work study is also called time study. And the next work measurement procedure. Here some of the steps are there. First one, describe. First step is describe, and the second one, break, and the next measure, and the next determine, next one provide, the next determine. These are all the steps in work measurement procedure. Coming to the first step, decide the given work for describe the given work for measurement. Describe the given work for measurement. The essential prerequisite to carry out work measurement is to describe the method underlying the job. In other words, it is a logical sequence of method study where the focus is on proposing a new method. Which results in elimination of unnecessary motions. Having decided the new method, the next step is to find out how much time is taken for carrying out the new method. In determining this, the following process is involved. The next, break the job into elements. Break the job into elements which can be identified as distinct parts of an operation capable of being observed, measured and analyzed. So we have break the job into elements. That elements are operation capable of being observed, measured and analyzed. And the next, measure the performance of operator. Measure the performance of operator. This means measure time taken to perform each element. Each element should not take more than 30 seconds using a stopwatch. And the next, determine the basic time. And the next, provide time allowance for fatigue, where the employees are work hard. The company will provide to workers more incentives. So this means provide time allowance for fatigue. And next one, determine standard time. This means determine actual time and also standard time means target time. Determine the actual time, employee actual time, and also what we will give to employees. That means the target time. This is the these are all the steps in work measurement. And next, some of the equipments is there. Time study equipments. That is time measuring devices and time study boards and time study charts. Two parts, two equipments is there. First one time measuring devices, and the second one time study boards and time study charts. Come to the first one, time measuring devices. Some of the equipments devices, stopwatch, motion picture camera, time recording machines, electronic timer. These are all the time measuring devices. And the next one, come to the time study boards and time study charts. It means these are simple and handy hard wood boards. Wood boards equipped with stopwatch holders and clamps for holding the observation sheets and time study forms. This is the time study boards and time study charts. These are all the equipments, time study equipments, time measuring devices, and time study boards and time study charts. In this class, I have explained about work study. What is meaning of work study? Work study is nothing but it refers to work measurement and method study. It refers to method study and work measurement. That is known as work study. What is the result here? Finally, in this work study, cost savings is there. Cost savings, increased efficiency and higher productivity, and maintain a reasonable level of employment, reliable means of planning and control. These are all the result in work study. Increased efficiency and higher productivity. Increased efficiency and higher productivity. And also increased efficiency, cost effectiveness and productivity. These are all the result in work study. These are all the benefits. It determines the cost. It saves the time. It enhances the productivity, and it contributes to cost savings. It enables the workers to earn incentive. It enables the employees' morale. It facilitates the organization to plan and achieve work targets. These are all the benefits of work study. Method study. This is the process of method study. Select, record, examine, develop, define, install, maintain. Select the task to be studied. Select all related facts. Here some of the symbols are there: operation, inspection, transportation, delay, storage, and examine. Examine the facts critically, considering the purpose, sequence, place, and resources. Develop the best possible method. Define the best method. So develop, install the new method, and maintain the installed method. This is a method study process. And work measurement. Work measurement is nothing but it is also called time study. It is also called time study. Work measurement is the application of techniques which is designed to establish the time for an average worker to carry out a specified manufacturing task at a defined level of performance. It is also called time study. Some of the objectives to minimize the human efforts, to assist in the organization of labor, to analyze the activities for doing a job with the view to reduce unnecessary jobs, to arrive at a realistic and fair incentive scheme to enable realistic schedule of work to be prepared, to compare the times of performance by alternative methods. This is the benefits of work measurement. This is the process. Describe what we have to describe here. We describe the given work for measurement. And next, break the job into elements. Next, measure the performance of operator. Determine the basic time. Provide the elements for fatigue. Determine the standard time. This is the process of work measurement. And the next, time study equipments, time measuring devices, and time study boards and time study charts. These are all the information regarding work study. Thank you.